Our favourite part of any trip, filling up. Along the M4, we noticed these two military aircraft. We think that one may be an A400 and the other one a C5. Does anybody know any better? Please let us know. After dealing with the M5, the M4 and the A12, we decided to pull in to a car park we found on Search for Sites in the village of Galleywood. The entrance did look a little narrow, but we had no problem at all getting through. We had our usual musical parking spots, but we eventually settled on a levelish place to park up and enjoy a good night's sleep.
We're at Galleywood.
Yep. So we came down the M25 and the sun had set, so it was starting to get dark. We decided to pull off and have a look and see what app did you use?
Search for Sites, something like that. I'll put a link on the screen.
And it came up with this park up, so we came and had a look, looked around, couldn't find any signs that say we couldn't park here overnight. When we arrived, there was one young couple in the car, but we had a peaceful night. It was nice. They've got a dog poo bin and they've got a rubbish bin, and it looks really clean. It was definitely quiet, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
We're having breakfast of champions, which is
Coffee
and
chocolate fingers dunked in. Got to do it.
oh, some people do that.
Some 85 or so miles later, we'd arrived at the rally field in the village of Clopton, or Clopton Corner. The first time around, we missed all the signs that Trev and company had put up in the previous couple of days. At this point, we'd realised we got lost. We had a brief look at the barrier down the footpath and decided against it. So we looked for the nearest possible spot that we could do a U-turn without testing out the off-road capabilities of our campervan too much. We got it the second time around. Quite easy when you know how, and if we'd have taken the time to look at a map, no problem at all. The bloke in the yellow high-vis looks familiar. Hi Trev.
Good morning. Yeah.
You're looking
Yeah.
very smart today, Trev, in your high vis.
You can't miss me in this.
Definitely
We almost
not.
did. Yeah.
Nice day for it.
Morning.
Hello. Right.
Hello. Hello. Morning.
The kettle on. Would you like a tea or coffee?
Can I have a
Morning.
black tea, please?
Black tea? Any sugar?
No, thank you.
Can I have a black coffee, please?
Black coffee.
I like it black and bitter like my heart.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'll have double espresso.
Morning, Joe. Right, where are we going?
In the corner. Right, let's go and get parked up. Okay.
The next day, it was time for a spot of drone flying. Kev from Yorkshire Motorhomers and myself should have known better to fly these things over the campfield, but boys will be boys. It was at this point that I worked out the microphone had broken. Not to worry, it's under warranty. Kaz took her phone to the hall so we can all enjoy a game of Spot the YouTuber together.
We might have to join. Zoe, we've got to get Zoe.